Everyone, welcome back. It is now time to upload your deposit data and your validator key stores into the CSM widget. We've done the first two steps to prepare our debt note and to generate our key stores and deposit data. And to move forward to the next step, just simply click on the Holeski hyperlink in the Lido CSM Holeski package. Just to recap for everyone, the way you access this package is to access your my.debt note on your browser. Go onto the packages directory in the left-hand panel. Scroll down until you find the Lido CSM Holeski package and click into it. Then scroll down to register in DebtNote's Lido CSM UI under the Holeski hyperlink and click into it. And what you'll see is essentially this page. There'll be some instructions for you to follow through and guide you along. Click through it, click next. And just a heads up for everyone here, your execution and your consensus client needs to be completely synced in order for you to be able to access this page. So if you are just setting up your validator node on debt node, then you might have to wait for a day before you're able to access this UI or through your debt node. So coming back to this, click through, and then for the setting up of notifications, we can skip this for now because this is slightly more complicated and it takes a bit more time. I'll save this for a later video. So go ahead and skip it. And then generate keys, you've already done that. So create node operator. Here, you'll have to upload your deposit data. Remember in the previous video, we've generated the validator key stores and the deposit data. And where do we save it? I personally saved it in the downloads folder. So what you have to do is to click into it, open it up. You'll see basically some gibberish to most people. You have to copy the contents, Control A, Control C, and paste the deposit data here. All right. And then you'll have to drag and drop your validator key stores JSON file here. So drag and drop it here. There'll be some warnings here to tell you about the risk of slashing. So basically just make sure that the same validator key store has not been imported anywhere else. If there are two instances of the same validator key stores online at the same time, you run the risk of being slashed. And being slashed means you lose part of your bond. Right, so check the box to understand the disclaimer. And then you'll have to enter the validator key store password. It is the same password you set when generating this key store using the Wagyu keygen tool. And you'll see that the ETH amount required for Holeski Testnet for one validator key is 2 ETH. So be sure to fund your wallet with the necessary Holeski ETH before that. So once that's done, create node operator. And at this point onwards, it's basically similar to DeFi, where you sign a transaction using your MetaMask wallet and wait for the transaction to be put through. All right, so you can see node operator has been created. Your node operator ID is 2840. And what is next? Wait for your keys to be deposited through the protocol. Once your keys become active, check the status on the keys tab on Beacon Chain or subscribe to CSM events notification. So let's go ahead and open up these three tabs. For our next video.